Hello, today we will guide you through how to find copyright-free music for FB and IG using Meta Business Suite. If you create content for Facebook or Instagram, using the right music is important. Choosing tracks from Meta's own sound collection can help you avoid copyright issues and make the process much simpler. In this walkthrough, we'll go through exactly where to find that music inside Meta Business Suite so you can start exploring audio options for your posts and videos. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. This is the main dashboard where you manage your Facebook and Instagram business content, and it also includes tools for creative assets like music. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the navigation options are visible. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the three-line menu icon. This opens the expanded navigation panel and gives you access to more tools that may not be visible in the default view. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Meta occasionally updates the layout, but the three-line menu is the key place to open the full list of available features. After the menu expands, find and click on Sound Collection. This is the section where Meta provides music and audio tracks that are designed for use across its platforms. It's a useful resource when you need background music, mood-setting tracks, or audio that fits a specific style without having to search elsewhere. Once you're inside the sound collection, select Sample Music. This lets you start previewing available tracks so you can hear what they sound like before deciding what works best for your content. As you listen, pay attention to the overall tone, energy, and pacing of the music, and think about how well it matches the type of video or post you're creating. A good tip here is to sample a few different tracks before making your choice. Even if one sounds fine at first, comparing several options can help you find music that feels more polished and better aligned with your brand or message. It's also helpful to consider whether the music will support voiceover, dialogue, or on-screen text without becoming distracting. That's all it takes to start finding copyright-free music using Meta Business Suite. Once you know where the sound collection is, it becomes much easier to quickly locate music for your Facebook and Instagram content and keep your workflow smooth and compliant.